Do you hate getting different answers to the exact same math problem? I'm going to show you the secret rule that stops the chaos. Let's take a look at the chalkboard.
Look at this math problem. 5 plus 2 times 3. If you do 5 plus 2 first, you get 7. 7 times 3 is 21. But if you do 2 times 3 first, you get 6. 5 plus 6 is 11. Which one is right? To stop the chaos, mathematicians created a rule. Let's learn BODMAS. BODMAS stands for brackets. Orders like squared numbers, division and multiplication, addition and subtraction. Here is the secret trap. Division and multiplication have the exact same priority. You just read them left to right. The same goes for addition and subtraction. Before we look at our first full example, just a quick reminder that you can practice this with tests that adapt to your child at my11plus.uk. Let's tackle a full example together. 10 minus 2 plus brackets 3 squared times 4. First is brackets. Inside the brackets, we have an order 3 squared. 3 squared is 9. Still inside the brackets, 9 times 4 is 36. Now we only have subtraction and addition left. Remember the rule? We just go left to right. 10 minus 2 is 8. Finally, 8 plus 36 is 44. Now it's your turn. Here's a classic tricky question. 20 minus 12 divided by 4 plus 2. Pause the video and give it a go. Did you fall for the trap and do 4 plus 2 first? Division comes first. 12 divided by 4 is 3. Now we have subtraction and addition. We go left to right. 20 minus 3 is 17. 17 plus 2 is 19. Excellent work. Keep following the rules of BODMAS and you'll never go wrong.
And that's BODMAS. Always remember that division comes before addition. Don't forget to subscribe for more lessons.